This is Supervision Technology and Infography, a barrier-free journey towards accessible world. If you find our videos are informative, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also enable notifications.
Hi friends, I am Joel. Heartily welcome to you all to this session. In this session, we are going to learn how to update our system software in Samsung Android device. System software update is very important to us to operate our mobile frequently. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate about the system software update. I am using Samsung Galaxy M31. Dear friends, Samsung Android mobile is custom Android. So some options and settings are different in this mobile comparing to other mobile. In this mobile, we can see the Google Android operating system along with Samsung One UI and Samsung softwares. So Samsung modifies and develops the apps and softwares according to them. Without delay, I am going to show the practical. Here I am going to open the settings now.
Settings. Home screen. Page 1 of 2. Settings. Search settings. Button.
Dear friends, here I opened the settings. We can swipe top to bottom or left to right to get the option System Software Update or Software Update. In the stock Android, it's available in About Phone or System Update. But in this Samsung mobile, we will get option Software Update in main settings. So we can swipe if we want. Otherwise, easily we can search by typing. So I am selecting search settings.
Search settings. Button. English US QWERTY keyboard shown. Settings. Editing. Search. Edit box.
I'm typing here software.
SSOOFFTEWWAARREE.
What we want, we can type here and we can search from here only. I have typed here software. It will give some suggestions top of the screen. Let me to find.
Software update. Software update.
Here software update suggestion is available to me. This is the first suggestion. Next one we can see.
About phone. Software information. View the currently installed Android version, baseband version, kernel version, build number, and more.
Yeah, this is another suggestion. So I'm tapping on software update, this one.
Software update. Software update. Keyboard hidden. Software update. Navigate up. Button.
Dear friends, if software update is available to us in the Samsung mobile or any mobile, it will notify us on the notification bar or main screen. We can update from there also. Otherwise, we can update manually like this type. Here, mainly 3 options are available to us.
Software update.
Software update, this is the heading.
Download and install. Last checked on September 23rd, 2020. Downloading via mobile networks may result in additional charges. If possible, download via a Wi-Fi network instead. N.
It's announcing software update and previously checked date. If we want to check our software update in our mobile, we have to select this one or we have to tap this one. Okay, I am swiping left to right again.
Auto download over Wi-Fi. Download software updates automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. On. Switch.
This is regarding how we want to download the software update via Wi-Fi automatically. This option is on here. When Wi-Fi is available, it will update. If we will off it, it will not update. If we don't want to auto update this software through the Wi-Fi, we can off it. This is second option. I am swiping again.
Last update. The last update was installed on July 28th, 2020 at 1:02 p.m.
When the last update was installed to this mobile, it's announcing the date. These are the mainly 3 options are available to us. Okay, I'm selecting here download and install.
Download and install. Last. Software update. Navigate up. Button.
Here some informations are available to us. Let me to check.
Software update. Update your phone and get new features.
Update your phone and get new features.
Using mobile data to download may result in additional charges. Using Wi-Fi is recommended.
It's recommending us the Wi-Fi because if we update through the mobile, it will cause some data charges to us.
What's new? Find out what's included in this update.
What's new features we will get after the updation through this software update. Let me to see.
One UI 2.1 upgrade with Android 10. One UI 2.1 brings you Android 10 with exciting new features from Samsung and Google based on feedback from users like you. We recommend that you back up your important data to keep it safe during the upgrade. Some apps, including Calculator, Samsung Internet, Samsung Health and Samsung Notes, need to be updated individually after you update your OS. Here's what's new. Dark mode - night mode name changed to dark mode. Enhanced image, text, and color adjustments for day and night environments. Darkened wallpapers, widgets, and alarms while dark mode is on. Icons and colors - clearer app icons and system colors. Improved layouts for titles and buttons to eliminate wasted screen space. Full screen gestures - added new navigation gestures. One-handed mode - settings moved to settings greater than advanced features greater than one-handed mode. Device care - the battery usage graph now provides more detailed information. Digital well-being - set goals to keep your phone usage in check. Use focus mode to help avoid distractions from your phone. Keep an eye on your kids with new parental controls. Samsung Contacts - added trash feature for contacts. Contacts that you delete will stay in the trash for 15 days before being deleted forever. The security of your device has been improved. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of updates to the security policy. A software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and / enhanced features, further improvements to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. Learn more at https://doc.samsungmobile.com/mm315f/in/doc.html.
Yes friends, these kinds of features we will get after the update. If we want, we can navigate this dialog box through the word by word. Briefly, I am explaining after the update, some settings will be changing, some gestures, some bug fixes and new features will available to us. We should update our Android mobile in the proper time. Otherwise, our mobile will face some issues like hanging issues, heating issues, battery consuming issues, slow process and some different kind of bugs we have to face. Sometimes they are giving software update and sometimes they are giving security patch level. But here same steps we can follow as up till now. Okay, if we want further information, we can visit samsung.com. So I am swiping right side again.
Software update information.
Here software update information.
Version M315FXX2ATI4/M315FODM2ATI4/M315FDDU2ATI2.
This is the version. Okay, by reading this information, we can recognize whether it is Google Android based version or Samsung software version and etc.
Size 1626.14 MB.
Here it's showing size 1626.14 MB.
Security patch level September 1st, 2020.
This is security patch level of September 1st, 2020.
Later button.
If we don't want to download now, we have to select it later. Otherwise, we can download now only.
Download button.
If I select this one, it will download. So dear friends, we should ready with free internal memory, good network connections with the internet facility, and we have to recharge our battery. We should get ready with these main things. So here I am going to download now.
Download button.
Tapping on it.
Software update. Navigate up button.
We can check our download status through the notification panel and here only.
Downloading update.
See, it's saying downloading update.
Time left 00:38:38.
It's announcing the time. After the download, it will use the message on the main screen or in the notification panel to install the downloaded software. We have to wait for several minutes to download it. Okay? While updating this software, don't switch off your data, means net connectivity. If we have any urgency, we can pause it. Later, we can resume it. Due to network issue, if the software update paused, we can continue it after getting the proper network. So it will ask us the confirmation. Friends, the software download is completed now. Let me to check. It notify us in the notification panel. Otherwise, we can check it in the settings. I'm going to settings.
Settings.
In settings, we have to select software update.
Software update. Software update.
In this software update, we have to select download and install.
Download and install. Last checked.
Now we can see the status of the software update.
Update ready to install.
Update ready to install.
Your phone will restart after the update is installed.
Our phone will restart after the installed.
Caution.
Here some caution is given.
You won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls. Some settings may change after the update. This update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case.
It's saying us we want to able use the phone during the update, even for emergency call. Some settings may change after the update. This update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case.
Schedule install button.
Another feature is available to us, schedule install. If we fix the time, it will install automatically as per our schedule. So I don't want to set schedule.
Install now button.
Install now. Okay, so I'm tapping on it.
Alert, please wait. Preparing software update. Updating software. 49%.
It will install. After some minutes, it will restart automatically. After the installation of the software, we will get 3 feedbacks in our mobile. Those are, firstly, we will get vibration feedback. After that, some notification sound will come. After that, our lovable talkback starts to speak. Then, if you already set the password, you can enter there. Otherwise, you can unlock the device easily.
Alert, software update. Your phone has been updated. Software update. Your phone has been updated. OK button.
You have to press OK. Yes friends, now the system software is updated and installed successfully. This is the demonstration of software update and installation of Samsung device. My dear friends, I have explained as per my knowledge for beginners. We are uploading and releasing this tutorial May 22nd, 2021. As of till now, the steps are same, but in future maybe it will change. Thank you. Be happy. Take care. Bye-bye.